Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
First, back up your device to your laptop using Finder or iTunes. Ensure the laptop has at least 15 GB free and 50% battery. Download the iOS 26 IPSWA file that matches your exact device model. Verify the IPSWA file checksum before proceeding to prevent corrupted restores. Turn off Find My iPhone in Settings using your Apple ID password first. Use an Apple USB cable and connect to a laptop running Mac OS or Windows. This preparation typically takes 10 to 20 minutes depending on backup size. Put your iPhone into DFU mode using the device-specific button sequence. On Mac OS, hold Option while clicking Restore in Finder to choose the IPSWA. On Windows, use Shift with the Restore button in iTunes to select IPSWA. If Apple stopped signing iOS 26, you must have saved SHSH blobs to proceed. Start the restore and expect the process to take 20 to 30 minutes. Do not disconnect the cable during verification, or you may brick the device. If you see error 4013, retry on a different USB port using another cable. After a successful restore, disable airplane mode and connect to Wi-Fi for activation. Restore your backup from Finder or iTunes or set up as new to avoid issues. Sign in with your Apple ID to remove activation lock and sync iCloud data. Reinstall apps and test phone calls, camera, GPS, and Wi-Fi connectivity. If the restore failed, consider using recovery mode or contacting Apple support. Keep your device charged and allow roughly 30 minutes for full setup and updates. Remember that downgrading may not be supported and can void warranty in some.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.